Why market is not going up? Actually, from last 3 days, if you see, Nifty is there around 25,000 level only. And what is the reason? Because if you see, everyone thought that when that no Israel Iran crisis was settled down little bit, even the Hang Seng started coming down almost 3 days ago. No, everyone thought, okay, now there will be a pullback rally, a good pullback rally coming. But no, that has not happened. Again, oil also gone down to around $76 per barrel. See, some of the reason are that. So in this short video, we'll try to understand what are the reason why this market is not moving up and what is the worrying factor currently. So if you talk about the worrying factor during this weekend, there is a no it may happen. Now there is a no sources news that no Israel may attack Iran. No, actually no, in their cabinet meeting they have decided, okay, we have to reply back to Iran, what they in last week they they put on a missile on Israel. Okay, so now they are going to retaliate. Now how they are going to do it, at what location they are going to do it, no one knows. But yes, there may be a chances that this weekend you may see. Another thing is there almost $283 billion stimulus package China may announce this weekend. Again, that no, that China stimulus package has created havoc, because the last time the FII literally moved out almost, no, if you see last 10 days, they have sold almost, not 10 days, almost a 1 week, $60,000, 60,000 crore rupees of they already FIS sold. Now, if this big another stimulus package is announced, whether it will change the China codes, whether it will no again push that China economy up, that is need to be seen. But whether the FII outlooks towards China is going to change or not, that need to be seen. Okay, now if this is a big package again announced and they may announce something else, again what China may be aggressively moving towards FI moving aggressively towards China, that is need to be seen. And this is the worrying factor, because if the China stimulus package goes on like this, no, FI move towards that, now that is what is creating a selling pressure from FI point of view. Every day, even today also, if I see that it is around 4,500 crore rupees of FI selling every day, they are selling on 4,000 5,000 crore rupees of selling is coming from FI, and DI is buying around 3,500 something, almost 1,000 crore less they are buying against the FI. Now what I'm trying to convey is that basically the market is in a dilemma, that whether this weekend something big is coming, and that's why you can see the market is not going up, just because of this Israel Iran crisis and the China stimulus package. Israel Iran crisis will directly have an impact on the oil. If something happens again, if the oil started crossing 80, and if it crossed to 85 again, it's a worrying factor for India. And this is what you have to understand, because see what RBI told this time, that they are watching this geopolitical crisis very closely, and they have a fear that if this goes up, okay, then again oil goes up, then again they have an inflation problem. Now see, no doubt they earlier it was an academic, they have changed the stance, RBI has changed the stance, and it may happen that Diwali or maybe December they will cut the interest rate, provided this geopolitical crisis has not been escalated. Okay, and that is what RBI told. And the chances are that then maybe December policy will see the thing. But the problem is that only that this factor of no Israel Iran crisis is actually holding on over the market. Again, the quarter two result has just started. TCS result was not so great. Okay, now many more big companies are going to announce in next 10 to 15 days. Markets want to watch all this result. How is the result? Again, from here, how the growth looks like, because last time what I've seen, that Motilal Oswal also told that no, I think they are year on year basis the profit will grow by around 3% only. Even the Kotak Securities told that around 5% only they are expecting. Now this is a very very slow growth from last, you can say, 17 or 18 quarters. Now if the growth is slowing, then there is a problem at higher level, selling pressure is coming. Now I'm not saying that everything is doom and dusted, not saying like that, but these are the factors which is impacting market, and that's why market is not going up. And these factors you have to keep in mind, no, because when you are investing, at the end of the day, no, you have to invest at the right stock at the right time. Okay, and but honestly you will not able to pick all the stocks at the right time. So if you are getting any stock with a good valuation, I think you should go and invest. But yes, these are the some of the factors which you have to keep in mind. Again, sebi rules on the fno and all that is going on. Again, the weekly expiry has been closed from November. NSE already told that they are not going to have a weekly expiry for or that bank nifty and all that. Only this one is having on the nifty 50 only they are having a weekly expiry. So of course there also the speculation will be less, so that will be a good sign for no at the end of the day for no at least it will save money of the speculators, correct? So these are the main points which you have to keep in mind. Of course, quarter two result we have to look very closely. Opening is not so great through TCS. Let's see how Infosys, because IT are the first batch to come. Let's see how the other no big companies are giving the result. And of course, Israel Hamas and the China stimulus package are some of the big worries which the market is having. Let's see on Saturday, Sunday whether any announcement is coming or not. So this is what I wanted to just tell you, that why this market is not going up. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, do click the like and subscribe our channel. And guys, if you have any question, please put it in the comment box. I do take it every time. Okay. And yes, if you want to see our stock recommendations, so is below is the link, and do attend the workshop this weekend. I'm going to have it. The costing is 1500 rupees. I'm going to completely free. So see you in the workshop and see you in the next video. Bye bye.